In a previous discussion, we left off creating up the axis titles for the x-axis and the y-axis in this chart. In this session, we are going to further upon our previous discussion and learn about even more options available to us. Now, going back from where we started, the layouts tab and axis title over here. Let's see what all options we have still been left with the vertical axis title over here. Now, we have explored these four options. The last one that is left is this. Now, this is again familiar pop-up menu that has appeared while formatting up my vertical axis, and it tells me that I can change the fill color and the border color, border styles, shadow and glow properties, 3D format and the alignment of my vertical axis title. And now a full discussion of all these things is already in a separate video, and in this session we are going to briefly touch upon all of these. Now, if I wanted to give my vertical axis a background of say color red and transparency say 41%, so this is the way it is going to be. I can even put up a gradient at the back end, and if I want to, I can even have say a pattern at the back end of my vertical axis also. And I can even give my vertical axis a border color. Say in this case I want to give it case of purple. I can increase the you can see I can increase the width of my border color to have to be of a much more greater value. I can even change the dashes type. I can change the number of lines which will appear. I can go ahead and give my vertical axis a shadow and increase its size. You can see a shadow has appeared over here, or I can just completely ignore the shadow and give my vertical axis a glow, and I can change the color anytime I want to, or I can even give a 3D format to my vertical axis this much, and I can even change the alignment if I want to. You can see the alignment of my vertical axis has changed, and horizontally, or if I want to put it say in the case of rotate all text to this, I can even have it in the case of stack numbers, and on all of the cases like this. So these are the all the options that are available for to me while formatting up my vertical axis title. And if you go ahead and look into the horizontal axis more options also, you'll see a similar kind of a situation. Just the difference is that this horizontal axis options would be applied to the horizontal axis title itself. Like if I want to have a blue background with certain kind of transparency, I want to give my border color to say red, border style to appear a bit more thick, and I want to give it a shadow of bigger size. I want to give my it a glow also. I want to give it a 3D format also, and I want it to look in the form of a stack. Now I know the whole chart looks very ugly now. I know this, and all of the changes that I made were only for presentation purposes, and you can change them accordingly to your aesthetic sense and give up even more better presentations when you have charts in your Excel sheets. So this is all about the various options available to us while modifying the axis titles in an Excel chart. Thank you for watching.